Do you feel you're about halfway there with your driving? Do you already have some experience but still need a little more practice? PassMeFast's 20-hour course could be a great option for you. This course is perfect for a learner who can confidently drive along the road, but who still needs to work on some more advanced skills and maneuvers before they're completely test ready. This course is typically taken over 1 to 3 weeks and includes 19 hours of tuition with a local, experienced DVSA approved instructor, plus a practical test, which we'll book at a time, date and test centre to suit you. We'll even fast track your test, meaning it will take place weeks or even months ahead of normal waiting times. This means that you could have your licence just weeks after booking. You can choose to take this course at a fully intensive pace or opt to space your lessons apart to fit around your schedule. We can also add a theory test and personalise the course to suit your needs. Just book online or over the phone and we will do the hard work for you.